Hi YouTubers, I'm Stan Cook. This is the Insta360 ONE camera. It's a great 360 camera, but how can you connect it to a Mavic Pro and make it work? All that's coming up. Okay, so this is the 360 camera. And if you've watched some of my previous videos about the 360, you'll see the things it can do are really amazing. In many cases, it'll take the place of an action camera. So what I did is went to my design tools and designed this as a mount to go on the bottom of the Mavic Pro Platinum and hang that 360 camera from it. All right, so here's basically the way it went. This is made in actually 3 pieces. The skid down here is one, there's 2 of those. The back plate, which attaches to the Mavic Pro, and this attachment right here, whoops, let me get it over so you can see it, right here, which attaches to the camera, right there. Okay, so let's do that. First of all, we need to attach it to the Mavic. So here's my Mavic. I know, I'm a ex-police officer, so I've got skins on it. So let's attach it. So it attaches right here. Let me get it up by the camera so you can see it. Okay, and then back here, these little tabs go in the slots, and it's tight fit, but you want it to be a tight fit because you're going to be hanging your camera from it. So there it is. Now all we have to do is attach the camera. This is a GoPro type mount. Instead of using the GoPro attachments, I just put a nut and a bolt in here because we want it to swing free. So now the camera slides right up into the skids. Now the GoPro mount works just fine, but it's loose so that the camera swings down. So when the Mavic Pro is on the ground, sitting this way. I'll put my hand here. And when the Mavic lifts, and also I put the front landing gear on it. Because of the added height of the skid, it'll still work okay, but this is just to make it more stable. And when the Mavic takes off, the camera swings down and away you go. Okay? Now, landing could be a problem, but as we're all expert pilots, right? Coming in for a landing, all you have to do is, as you come down, then just slowly move it forward, and it'll fold right in. Let me show you one more time. Coming in for a landing, slowly going forward, and it sits right down. That's the way I did it. But you know what? I haven't flown it yet, but I know the 360 works well. We've just been having a lot of rain. That's why I'm making this video inside without giving you an actual flight. But it'll work, okay? So, that's the way you do it. That's the way you attach an Insta360 ONE to the Mavic Pro Platinum. It will work. Good luck.